Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to shift lock on Roblox computer. To start, go to the link we leave you in the video description. Here, open any game, then click on Playing the Game. Click on Open Roblox Game Client. When the game is open, press the Escape key to access the options. Here, go to the Settings tab. After that, click on the Shift Lock Switch section so that its status becomes on. Again, press the Escape key to return to the game. Now, when you play, you can use the Shift key to see the icon change to the camera icon. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.